The Nothing Phone 2, the second version of the phone that literally lit up the smartphone market with its transparent back and LEDs. Now, right from the box, you can tell that this phone is a little different. From its transparent SIM tool to this year even coming with a transparent tipped USB-C cable, there's just an attention to detail that you don't always see with other phones. But here is the Nothing Phone 2 itself, and it looks a lot like last year's. You still have the transparent back, which looks absolutely amazing, along with the array of LEDs that light up for things like notifications. But where the Phone 2 differs is the glass on the back now has this slight curve. The color is a brighter gray compared to last year's deeper black, and on the front, the selfie camera is now centered instead of being tucked away in the corner. The standout feature though, of course, is the glyph interface on the back. And with the Phone 2, it's been improved. You can still set a number of different ringtones and notifications that sync up with the lights, but this year you can even compose your own patterns and set them to individual contexts. There's now an option to use the LED for a timer that goes down as time expires, and nothing is working with third-party app developers like Uber to let you check those app statuses without having to pick your phone up. Just like last year, the Nothing Phone can let you check your phone's battery with a little shake. You can get a visual response while you're using the Google Assistant, and there's still the option to flip to glyph, where the phone will automatically go on silent when you put it face down with a flashing light indicating that the mode is active. Which, all of it combined, outside of just being fun, Nothing believes can help users be less distracted by their phones. And that philosophy kind of carries over to the software. The Phone 2 has this minimalist UI, there's even a monochrome theme that can help keep colorful apps from screaming for your attention, and overall, I really like it. It's just clean and simple, and it just goes with the rest of the phone, with attention to detail sprinkled all the way throughout. Now, one of the biggest improvements with the Phone 2 is actually what's under the hood, with it being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus chip. This chip was enough for the Phone 2 to beat the iPhone 14 in our speed test on YouTube, where not only was it able to edge out the iPhone in terms of how fast it was able to run through the tasks, but with 12 gigabytes of RAM, it was also able to keep more apps open and ready to go in the background. The new chip also enables better cameras, with Nothing saying that the Phone 2's 50 megapixel cameras on the back actually capture 4,000 times more data than the Phone 1's cameras, allowing for enhanced color and clarity. The selfie camera also got a bump from 16 megapixels up to 32 for sharper photos, and so did the battery, going from 4,500 milliamp hours up to 4,700 milliamp hours, which should bring a significant jump in battery life thanks to the efficiency of the 8 Plus. And all of it together, I think makes the Phone 2 a compelling option. Starting at just $600, the Phone 2 is $300 cheaper than what I think is its main competition in the iPhone 14 Plus, and despite its price, it comes with some flagship level features that even Apple only offers on its Pro lineup, like a brighter and smoother 120Hz screen and an always-on display, while also bringing things that no iPhone has, such as reverse wireless charging, which with those LEDs on the back is only better since you actually know when reverse charging starts. But really, what makes the Phone 2 stand out isn't its spec sheet, and it's not even the price, but instead, it's the fact that the Phone 2 is just fun. Like, it's a breath of fresh air in a smartphone market that seems less and less differentiated year by year. Is that enough to get people to switch? I don't know, but having serious competition to the iPhones and the Galaxies of the world at a price point that doesn't break the bank, well, it's something I can definitely